This festive season, enjoy cooking meals while conserving the environment using Ebenezer energy-saving stove,
which use volcanic stones for heating and cooking your meal as fast as you can. The stove also comes with an addition of a solar and lights.
These can be for home or commercial use, and they are at a discount, for these stoves are proudly made in Uganda. For more information on how to access us, please contact us on the addresses on your screen, and do not miss out on this opportunity.
I don't look at sugar as something of interest, because the price of sugar is coming down, and it's not coming down only here, but all over the world. Look at India, look at Mauritius, Brazil. Actually, to them, sugar is a byproduct. Their main product is ethanol. They are looking at electricity. This plant has the capacity to produce 10,000 liters per day. So I would be able to supply government or the oil companies close to 300,000 liters per month. My short-term plan is to get the crusher and the hydrator, number one. Number two, to expand from 10,000 to 30,000, if possible, to 50,000 liters per day. Set up a plant here, another one in another sub-county, and another one elsewhere, so that we have 6 or 10 of them. That way we increase the employment levels of our people. Here we're employing so many people, around 140. If we had 10 of them, we would employ over 1,000.